Today we're going to learn how to program a counter on the Armron PLC using CX Programmer software. We have an initial switch program that will turn on a light 1, and we are online, so we will do online edits to program our counter. So we will go to the left hand margin, right click, online edits, and begin. Again, we'll go to the left hand margin, we'll right click again and insert below, so to have a new row. So we'll have a normally open contact, which will be addressed at 4.01. That will be selector switch 2. And that will be what we are counting. And you go to a function block, click on the function block, put it on the right hand power bar. The counter is CNT. And then the number that you want to call that counter, we will call it counter 0. And then we will have to put a value that we want to count it to, and we will count to 5. So when this selector switch goes from off to on 5 times, our counter will become true. We need to connect our lines. You notice we still have a red bar here, so it's showing we have errors. To reset our counter, we must have a normally open contact, which is in the same line as our counter. So we will use 4.02 to reset our counter. And we will connect our dots, and our counter will be okay. So this is counting up, and this is our reset to our counter. And then we will add one more line to insert below, and we'll have the done bit of our counter, which will be C0. And we will use that to turn on a light, which will be 5.01. And then again, we must connect our lines by holding the control button and using our arrow keys to connect our lines. Once we have completed our online edits, we right click in the left margin, go to online, and send changes. We must send the changes to the PLC. Now whenever we make selector switch 2, it will count down. The Armron program is unique in the counter, it counts down instead of up. So each time it goes from false to true, it will count down the counter. Whenever the counter gets to 0, our light will come on. And our light will stay on until we hit the reset for our counter. That is how you program counters for the Armron PLC using CX Programmer software.